time to party. It's time to party. It's time to party. It's time to party. Time to party. Party, party. Party, party. Party, party. Time to party. Time to party. Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Titario. If it's your first time here, hello and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, my dear one, my number one supporter, thank you for always tuning in, commenting and liking my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly click the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and to like my videos. So without wasting much of your time, if you watched my previous vlog, you will know that I bought a ring light, a new one, actually a very big and much brighter ring light, because I'm investing in content creation and I also shared my journey. So before you watch this video, kindly rush and watch my previous video, then you will follow up and understand. Because in that video I did the unboxing with you guys. I collected my take alert order of the ring light and stuff like that. But in this video, I'll be telling you much more about the ring light. I've been using it for some few days, and it will be a much detailed unboxing and assembling of the ring light. Maybe you are a content creator and you don't know the ring lights you buy, as well as you maybe want to start content creation. So this ring light, you can use it for photography, like photographers, because it's very bright. You can use it for makeup, because I know makeup artists, you also want good lighting. So as a makeup artist, you can buy this ring light, as well as a content creator like me, you can as well buy ring light. Guys, forgive me, I've gained weight, so my pajamas are not fitting well here, so that's why I'm trying to hide myself, but forgive me. So for the assembling, I just, honestly speaking, I've unboxed it and I've used it. So this review, it's actually very realistic. So firstly, we have the stand. You see it's already open, so I just wanted you to feel the unboxing part. But if you want the realistic unboxing, go and watch my previous video. So let me put my mic here. This ring light, it comes with this stand. Okay, so this is our first unboxing. The tripod stand. So apparently, guys, this tripod stand, right, it's very long. It can even get longer than this. So how to use it? You have your first point here. You just make it loose and you pull out, you see, and then you can lock it, and already it has increased in length. Then you can also pull out here, and then it will go higher or go lower, go higher. So you have 3 points of assembling. That's what I want to teach you in this video. So let's reduce here and we lock. I'm already assembling it for, because I'm a content creator. I shoot videos every day, especially on my main channel. So let's assemble it together, right? So I said it has 3 points, so you can adjust here, then there's here, yeah, and then there's here. So we started with here. I've logged it in, it's perfect. And then let's adjust here. I want to see the length, and also we have an adjusting here, so that the legs will be able to adjust. So you unlock here as well. I hope you are learning, guys. Then I'm done with my stand. That's how it works. And review number one for the stand, it's very stable. I love it. Let's move on. Yo, I need to drink some water. Content creation is a lot of work. Guys, it's work. I'm working, doing too much talking here. Okay, so the ring light comes with a remote. Before we go much further, I want to do, okay, let's finish unboxing. So I said it comes with the remote, and then this is your controller. If you lose this remote or if this remote stops working, then that's the disadvantage. The ring light won't be able to work. So this is where you add the light, this is where you decrease the light, and then the clicking here, you can put it in various modes. And then there's this bunch of things. So the advantage of the ring light, it can hold up to 3 phones at the same time. So you have 1, 2, and 3, and then you have 1, 2, and 3. So obviously, there's no need of me putting 3 phones, but the 3 phones, they work for people like those who do lives on Facebook. Maybe you want to go live the same time on your Facebook page or on your Instagram as well as your TikTok, so you can stream live the same time. Now let's go to the main thing. That's our ring light. So what I love about this ring light, guys, it's an 18-inch ring light. So 18 inches is very big. Let's unbox it. So whenever you want to buy a ring light, you actually have to look for this kind of box. This box, guys, is like the ring light. I love it. Like I said, I've already tested it and it goes on so well. I love it. So some of the features, like they say, light your beauty, feel light and beauty first, make face and eye in beauty, night core extreme. It also has a night mode. I'll show you and stuff like that. So this is how the ring light looks like. You see, I was telling you guys that it has 3 phone stands. So that's the box. So whenever you see a blue box, go for it. That ring light is very good. Now let's go to the main thing, main of the show. That's my 18-inch ring light, guys. Let's unbox. So this is how it looks like. So like I told you guys that I was already using it. That's why there's this thing. For now, I'm only using one. So it comes with a very long cable. So this is what it looks like. What you attach to the electricity. It's a 2-pin plug. Yeah. So we want to assemble it together. So before I go any further, let me show you where I'm coming from. The kind of ring light I was using before. Guys, I'm so embarrassed. Can you imagine? This is the ring light I was using. So the stand is fine, I think, but it's now very hard to adjust. Look at here, guys. It has sellotape. So what happened to my ring light is that I've been using it for over a year now, and then it was poor quality. So it actually broke here as well. You can see it's coming out. So that's why I put the sellotape. It fell and it broke. So it's even that bad. Like, let me show you. Yeah, here. You see? Like, it broke. I think you can see the crack. That's why I bought a new ring light. Plus, I wanted something bigger. I'm not a big YouTuber, guys, a big content creator, and I'm not taking this content creation thing serious. And I want to give you better lighting. So obviously, the bigger the ring light, the better the quality. So this is my stand for the new ring light, and this is my old ring light. Like you see, it doesn't even stand straight. Imagine if I put my phone, guys, the way it shakes, like it's not even straight. Look how big. I struggle, guys, and it's so small. Let me show you my new ring light. Look how big it is. So compare, obviously, which one will give you better quality here in terms of lighting. Obviously, my new ring light, it's better quality because it's very big and it's very thick. So and even the lighting, you will see, I'll turn them on both and I'll show you. So now let's compare. So my new ring light, it's 18-inch. Actually, on the ring light, the maximum is 21. So imagine the price difference. 21-inch was going for 900 rands, and you would get some for 800 rands on Take a Lot. But then this one I got it on special, the 18-inch. It was going for 500 rands. Then I was like, 18 and 21. It's not much difference. I'm sure if there's a difference, it's just little. So the 18-inch, I saved like 300, 400 rands, 500 just compared to 900 or 800 and something. You get it? So I saved. Then this one, when I bought it last year, I bought it for 200 and something. But now they're actually lower. So 12 inches are going for 200 rands or 180, somewhere there. You can check it out on Take a Lot. But guys, okay, I'm just saying, if you are starting, maybe you're not that much into content creation, definitely you can go for the 12-inch. Because all my videos were not bad, guys. You saw my videos, they were good. Like I was moving and content was being created with this small ring light, 12-inch. So I cannot discredit it or say anything bad about it because it's the one which carried me through this journey. Like I started my content creation journey with this ring light, so I give it credits. But now it's overused, it's old. That's why I had to buy myself a new baby. So, anyways, I talk a lot, guys. Sorry, forgive me. I talk a lot. Now we want to assemble. Let's see how it works. So we are comparing the differences as well. So starting with my new ring light, obviously it's big. Then this is small. That's the first difference. And then secondly, this one it holds up to 3 phones, but this one it only holds 1 phone. Then I also like the adjusting part of my new ring light. As you see, it's that type which goes back or up. But this one here, it's not stable. Unfortunately, it's because I put tape, but it has a rotation thing, and that thing is not stable. So that's what I love about my new ring lights, as well as this one comes with a remote, the new one, and the old one doesn't come with a remote, but rather the remote is attached to the ring light. So this is the remote, guys, like this small thing, and it doesn't have many options, but our remote comes with so many options of the new ring light. So obviously the new ring lights. Then as well, this one is an advantage actually on the old one. The old ring light doesn't have a pin plug, but rather it works with this USB thing. So you can attach it to your laptop, you can attach it to your power bank, and it still works. So the advantage of this one is that even if it's load shedding, if there's no electricity, you can still vlog, it still works. But then this one now, it comes like this, so it's a problem. So I think it's because this one doesn't consume much electricity. So a power bank, I used my power bank, guys, I can carry it anywhere, but this one I need electricity. That's the disadvantage. But the good thing obviously with this one is that obviously light is more and it's more power anyways. So I talk a lot, guys, forgive me. I just wanted to compare and show you where I'm coming from. So let's try and assemble. Like I said, obviously this is going here somehow. Yo, I need the men, I need the boyfriend. Those who have their brothers, please give me. Because imagine, I shouldn't be doing this on my own men. My men should be doing this for me, but it's fine. So I figured it out. So so we are assembling together. Maybe you bought a ring light or you're going to buy, you don't know how to assemble it. Another thing, it doesn't come with a manual. That's the disadvantage. So you have to actually watch this video and figure it out. So obviously you attach this first. This is the first piece, and you have to make sure that you're seeing yourself through this hole. So I'm seeing myself. Let's put this on the side, and then let's see how these things work. So obviously we need, what's this part for? What's this part for, guys? I think this one is fine like this. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Yeah, I got it. So you just attach it and then you tie this thing very hard. Oh, it's in. Ingenile. Yo. I feel, guys. Jesus, I feel. I feel. Oh my God. I feel, guys. I feel. And it's like our ring light. Let's see. Imagine breaking my new ring light, guys. No, it's okay. It didn't break. Yo, this thing is so heavy, apparently. Yo, guys. Imagine I broke my first ring light, now breaking my new ring light. Jesus, is it okay? Okay, I see my problem. I need to attach it still. Yo, yo, guys, hectic. Okay, I see what happened. What went wrong is this thing. It didn't attach. Um, I'm so stressed now, cause guys, this is my new ring light, and then it just feel like that. Can you imagine? How can it just feel like that? My new ring light, God. Anyway, but this time I got it. Yo, I'm so stressed. So now I see. I think you are also learning. When you are tying it, you have to make sure that you attach everything in. It must be strong. I think this time I got it. Yeah, I got it this time, guys. I got it. Yeah, this time it's in. So I presume that's the purpose of this thing. Yeah, I got it. Yo, it's not moving. Oh, it's now. Oh, okay. I see. So you adjust it here. This time it won't fall. Okay, I got it, guys. Finally. Yo, that four was pissed now. It actually broke my heart. Yo, I hope it's still working, guys, because that four was deep. Imagine I also fall, guys. But now I got it. Why is it shaking? It needs to be stable. Let me actually stand up and see where we are going. Did it break? My new ring light fell, guys. Is it stable? Yeah, it is stable. So this is the final product. We are comparing my old to new ring light. Or now what's left is testing it on electricity. So I'll be using that side there. We have an electricity port there. This is scary. It's not turning on. I'm so scared, guys. It's not on. Did I break it when it fell? So I'm getting batteries from my remote because I don't have batteries. Um, let's get batteries here. So you need the smallest batteries. That's what you need. So I'm just putting my batteries in and then it's on. Oh, it's turned on, guys. I'm so excited. Look how bright it is. Look. Why is it not stable though? I think I have to figure it out. It's not stable. Hmm. Look at the light. Oh, apparently the ring light is heavy for the stand because it's shaking, but I'll figure it out and I just have to be careful. So, guys, that's it. That's the video. You see how bright it is. Just look at how it's lighting me. It's very bright. Let's just turn modes. You see, you can change like this. It's party, 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 party. Dum. Anyways, let's switch it off. You see, off, on, off. So how convenient is that? Anyways, if you watched this far, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just here to show you my ring light. So bye guys, subscribe.